Yes, Bajaj.
Honorable Speaker, sir, why I had brought this question? Sir, recently the Honorable Transport Minister had twice announced that the airport will be shifted. He had given press briefing also on this regard. And in today's reply, we can understand that the government has no intention of shifting the airport. I wish the Honorable Transport Minister was here, sir, to clarify on the issue, because what is being portrayed in the floor of the House and what is being represented outside creates a lot of confusion for the people, sir, and especially for the investors. However, sir, as the representative of Umroi, I am relieved to see this reply of the government. The reason being that the airlines have invested so much in terms of manpower and infrastructure with the intention of the government to push for more flights in the coming months. Sir, I thank the government, sir, for the reply. I would also like to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister that now the airlines are also having that intention and the interest of starting cargo flights. So if the department can examine the proposals, sir, as and when they come, or maybe perhaps take a step forward in ensuring that the cargo flights also start, it'll add on to the business and also to the activity of the airport, sir. Thank you, sir.
So the department can examine the matter, sir.